Oh my God, what a disaster! Oh my God, what's wrong with me? My hair is falling out like crazy. What should I do? Tell me! In this video, we'll learn about the causes and treatment of hair loss, a problem many of us complain about. Let's delve directly into the causes of hair loss. There are many reasons. Did you know that severe stress is one of the underlying causes of hair loss? Another reason is our poor diet. Other possible causes include malnutrition, malabsorption problems such as celiac disease, and also thyroid disease. Oh dear. If you only knew. The worst causes of hair loss are processed sugars and fast food and refined carbohydrates.
No.
What nutrients are responsible for hair growth and health? Count them on your fingers and I'll tell you. Iron, vitamin D, zinc, B vitamins, protein. A deficiency in these nutrients will disrupt the hair follicle growth cycle, leading to thinning or hair loss. But don't worry, once these nutrients are restored, your hair will start growing again. Thank God! Let's start with iron. Did you know that iron is a major culprit in hair loss, especially for women before menopause? Iron deficiency can inhibit hair growth. Therefore, thinning hair is a strong indicator of iron deficiency. Of course, not to mention the many other problems caused by iron deficiency. And the second element is vitamin D. It's essential for stimulating hair follicles. Without enough vitamin D, you'll definitely suffer from embarrassing hair loss problems. But be careful, too much vitamin D can also cause hair loss. So vitamin D is a double-edged sword for your hair. Wait a minute, really? Can taking too much vitamin D cause hair loss?
Oh.
And the answer is yes. So we understand that vitamin D is essential for hair, but taking large amounts of it will negatively affect hair growth. And now it's time to highlight zinc. This precious element is essential for hair growth and repair, so you need to include it in your daily diet. Clear? What about the other nutrients? Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also essential, because without them, the hair follicles won't get the necessary oxygen supply. So vitamin B12 and folic acid are like an oxygen mask, and everything else for the hair. And of course, we mustn't forget biotin. Even though vitamin B7 deficiency is rare, it remains the star of hair health. Oh, the magic of biotin for hair. What role does protein play in hair health? Since hair is made of keratin, a severe protein deficiency can lead to hair loss. This is why consuming protein is so important for achieving thick, shiny hair. Is vitamin C necessary for hair? The answer is yes, because vitamin C increases iron absorption. Therefore, vitamin C is essential for healthy hair. Now, I'm going to give you a golden tip about treating hair loss. It says, test before you guess. What does that mean? It means you should always make sure you have a deficiency before you start taking supplements. Why? Because excessive intake of some vitamins can increase hair loss, like vitamin D. Are there any blood tests that can help reveal the underlying causes of hair loss? Okay, let's ask a lab specialist. Let's find out what common blood tests are to understand the cause of hair loss. Ferritin test to measure iron stores. Thyroid function test is also essential. Pay attention. We're about to uncover the secrets of hair loss. When should I see a doctor to address my hair loss problem? The answer is if you notice sudden hair loss, or irregular hair loss, or unexplained thinning. Let's pause for a moment. Regarding the problem of hereditary baldness, and the optimal treatment for it is the Big Three. Who are they? Can you guess? They are 3 medications. That is a triple drug combination consisting of, first, minoxidil, which is a vasodilator for the blood vessels in the scalp. Therefore, it stimulates the growth of hair follicles. Second, finasteride, which is an anti-androgen. Third, ketoconazole shampoo, which is an antifungal for the scalp. This combination is truly amazing. I have great news for you! Hair loss caused by vitamin deficiencies is often treatable. Whoa! Once these nutrients are restored to their normal levels, you'll notice your hair growing back healthy and beautiful all over again. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed it. Take care!